Do you suffer lower back pain for long periods? If so, let me show you how to fix it. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Serpina. Welcome to my health tip channel. Lower back pain is very common and affects daily life and work. So, if you have this problem, you are in the right place. Here I have 5 simple stretching exercises to share with you, which I hope will relieve your lower back pain. Today I'm going to focus on those who have had this condition for quite a while, called chronic lower back pain. By the way, on my final exercise is also good for sudden and acute lower back pain. If you want to know that, please keep watching. Let's go! The first exercise is called turn your body. Stand up, pat your feet, keep your back straight, look ahead. Now, you turn your arms to inside and lift up horizontally to the same level as your shoulder. Now, you clench your hands in a fixed position in front of your chest like this. Now you spring to one side with your arms and your waist together for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me show you the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do this each side 50 times, twice a day. The second exercise is called Lateral Body Bend. Stand up, pat your feet, keep your back straight, and look ahead. Now, put your right hands on your hip with your left arm straight up towards to your head position like this. And then now you laterally bend your body to your right side for 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you change to the opposite position, which is your left hands on your hip, your right arm straight up, and then you turn your body to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do this 50 times each side, twice a day. When you lean sideways, lumbar muscle stimulators the bones, essentially improving ability of the muscle group. Consistency is best. The third and fourth exercises are called leg movement on the yoga mat. These 2 exercises are for people with lower back pain who cannot stand up for very long. For this, you need to lie down on a firm carpet or yoga mat. The first one, you lie on your back and lift up one leg with your foot hooked. When the back of your thigh feels stretched, you stop but hold it there for 10 seconds before putting your leg back on the mat. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. And then do the same with your other leg for 10 seconds. For the second one, you lift up one leg with both your hands holding the knee. Pull your hands hard towards your body, and when your thigh and hip feel stretched, you stop and hold for 10 seconds. Then you slowly straighten your leg and return it to the mat. Then you do the same for the other leg. After that, you continue lying on your back. Then you lift up your two legs together with both your hands holding both your knees. Again, your hands pull hard towards your body, but the bottom of your tailbone must leave the mat. Your back will feel stretched. Keep this position for 10 to 20 seconds. After this, you slowly return to your starting position and then relax. You do these two exercises twice a day. These stretching exercises should help your lower back pain muscle to become more fluent and elastic, and therefore relieve your lower back pain. These are very good for your hips as well.
Now, here's some information about your lower back. The spine consists of 24 vertebrae and runs from the chest to the pelvis, so the 5 lumbar vertebrae muscles at its base are very important for the movement of the lower human body. Indeed, these 5 lumbar vertebrae are the biggest and strongest as they support the weight of the whole spine. Human leg power, upper limb movements and so on are controlled by these highly developed vertebrae. So it's not surprising that any weakness in the muscles there can cause pain and affect movement and agility. People have lower back pain because their back muscle groups become very weak. When you're younger and have meager lower back pain, you don't worry. But day, after years and years of movement, any lower back pain starts irritating you more. So lack of exercise causes lower back pain for all sorts of people, especially those who sit too long, such as students, office workers, drivers, and those who are older. So a daily routine of lower back stretching exercises can be very effective.
The fifth exercise is called kick your leg backward. For this one, you need support. With your hands holding a stable chair, and then lift one leg up. It's about 5 centimeters above the floor. Keep your back straight, leg straight. For this position, you start move your legs up, up and down, up and down. But remember, when your legs down, do not let your foot touch the floor. Keep its floor about 5 centimeters. You do this up and down 50 times. And then you're doing the same with the other legs. After about 3 or 5 days, you should do 100 times each legs, if you can. As I said at the beginning, this exercise is good for acute lower back pain. So if you have a sudden small incident which causes your lower back pain or pain on one side of your lower back, such as bending down to pick up an item from the floor, or you reach for something on the back seat of the car from the front, you can do this exercise. As long, of course, that X-ray does not show that you have broken any bones. In this acute lower back pain instance, you should do one leg for 1 minute and then stop 20 seconds. You do this 3 times in one go for each leg, 6 minutes in total. You do twice a day. This exercise will stretch your back gently and comfortably, and this should fix your lower back pain. So, to relieve your lower back pain and make your weak back muscles strong, you need to exercise and stretch them often. But remember that continuations is the key to success. Before I finish today, it's important to see that if you have lower back pain, I recommend you check with your doctor. Also, my exercises are only the routine ones. Being Chinese, I was brought up with these exercises and have successfully applied many of them to my mother, my friends, my English husband, and myself. All my exercises come from Chinese doctors, physiotherapists, and sports medical specialists. Many thanks for being with me, and I hope that these exercises will help you. Please leave any comments and questions below, and I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, then you won't miss any of my health information at all. Next time, I will give you some thoracic, mid-upper back pain exercises. Thank you and goodbye.